In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes on Squarespace, a crucial step for ensuring your online store is compliant with local tax laws. Whether you're new to Squarespace or simply need a refresher on handling sales tax, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get you set up quickly and easily. First things first, head over to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the search bar, which is a handy tool for navigating through the various settings and configurations. In the search bar, type in Taxes. This will direct you straight to the Taxes option, saving you from having to click through multiple menus. Now, click on the option labeled Taxes. This section is where you'll manage all aspects of your store's sales tax. Next, look for the option labeled Manual. Clicking on this will allow you to manually add and adjust tax rates based on the regions your store serves, which is ideal if you have specific tax requirements to meet. The next step is to add a tax rate, and you do this by selecting ADD rate. This option is crucial because it allows you to specify the different tax rates that apply to your products or services. Then, you'll be presented with a drop-down to select a country. Choose the country where your business is registered or where your customers are primarily located. Doing so ensures that the tax calculations align with the regional requirements. Once you've selected your country, you'll proceed by clicking Next. This action takes you to a page where you can enter specific details about the tax. Here, you need to type in a tax name. This name should be something descriptive, helping you quickly identify the tax rate later. It's a good idea to make the name indicative of either the region or the type of tax, so it's instantly recognizable. After naming the tax, the next field requires you to input the tax rate. Enter the percentage that applies to the region you've selected. And remember, accuracy here is critical. You don't want to encounter any issues with incorrect tax rates down the line. Lastly, to finalize your new tax setting, click on Save. This action ensures all your hard work is locked in and ready to be applied to your sales. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to set up taxes for your Squarespace store. Following these steps will ensure your store is in line with tax codes, giving you one less thing to worry about as you grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Squarespace!